Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the crypto booth.
Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. Today is the 4th of November. It's super duper early in the morning. I couldn't sleep. It's like 4 o'clock right now, quarter after 3. And so instead of waiting until my regular wake up time at 5 a.m., I decided to hop on the computer and start recording right now because I've got a pretty interesting video. I've got a new project for you, another project that allows you to download a node onto your computer and then earn some crypto with it. So stick around till the very end of the video to make sure that you don't miss any of the info that is contained in this very important video. And of course, remember to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get crack-lacking. So the project under question today is called Grass. And Grass is a project which basically uses your unused internet Wi-Fi bandwidth in order to provide rewards. The idea behind this project is that we all pay for internet. So if you have broadband internet at home, you're paying for it regardless of whether you use it or not. Now, during times when you're sleeping and your computer is not being used, you can delegate a software to take advantage of that unused bandwidth and you get rewarded for that. Now, you can run this node very easily on your computer at any point in time. I'm running it right now as I'm recording this video. And since I am not really using any bandwidth, I mean, there are some windows that I've got open in the background, but I'm not using the internet extensively. The app can run in the background and take advantage of that bandwidth that I'm not using. I mentioned this project in a previous video, just briefly, but after having taken a look at it a little bit more, I decided that it's actually worth it, and I decided to download it because I wanted to check it out, and it turns out that it's pretty interesting. Now, you download the node onto your computer, you keep running it in the background and keep track of your earnings. The dashboard is pretty intuitive, it's pretty easy to follow. So the basic idea behind the project is that you earn rewards for sharing your unused internet bandwidth with the Grass network. Grass makes the internet a place where everyone benefits, companies and users alike. It achieves this by allowing verified institutions to reward you directly for supplying the bandwidth they need to enhance their online services. Rest assured, your personal data is never shared. So the idea is for Grass to collect unused bandwidth and I guess to pass it on to companies, to verified institutions, which they can use in order to continue their projects, whatever the projects they may be. Your personal data is protected and you can earn extras by referring people to the program, as it is with everything else. So I'm gonna plunk the ref link below the video. It's very easy. Just follow the ref link, download the app, install it on your computer and run it. 3 steps: sign up, download and earn. The dashboard looks like this. As I said, it's very intuitive. I've been running it for the past 3 days and I've already racked up 10,000 Grass points. Now, these I don't know exactly how they translate into the actual Grass tokens, but this is what it is. Grass has actually been listed. It's listed on CoinMarketCap on the aggregator, and right now it's trading at a price of $1.30. So this is post the first stage. The Grass documents provide a description of what the Grass project is. So the Grass infrastructure consists of 2 key components. Grass nodes allow users to contribute their unused internet bandwidth to the network, earning rewards and participating in the growth of AI. And the sovereign data rollup consists of the network of nodes, routers, validators, ZK processor and data ledger, which facilitates the data sourcing and transformation process, turning unstructured web data into structured data sets. There are tokenomics included. I'm not going to go through the details of it, but the total supply of Grass tokens is 1 billion. What I would like to just briefly go over is the airdrop, which obviously is taking place. So right now the alpha airdrop is closed. So we are in the second phase of it. If you go to the dashboard, you can see that we're in epoch 1, which means it's still pretty fresh. You can see stage 2 right here, capturing the web. So the first stage is finished, building the network. We're right now in second stage, capturing the web, epoch 1, which means it's still very, very early. I mean, it's not as early as being at the very start, but it is in the first epoch, which means it's the first one right after the alpha delegation, which was closed just a little while ago. And there were 15 million tokens delegated to that. For the next 7 epochs, which in an epoch lasts for a month. So for the next 7 months, each epoch will see a distribution of 10 million tokens per epoch. So 70 million tokens, plus on the 8th month, there will be another bonus epoch. So for the next 7 months, you can run the node and collect points. And every epoch, you'll be rewarded some tokens. I assume the number of grass points will be calculated, and based on how many grass points you have, you will be distributed some grass tokens. Grass has a stake option. Now, I'm not exactly sure how this works. Who's able to stake, and I'm sure that's all in the documentation here. Once an epoch is over, we should be able to go over to the website right here, starting from October 28th. Eligible addresses can claim their tokens by visiting Grass Foundation IO claim, although this I think refers to the first airdrop that occurred just recently. And so this was done for the initial supporters of the project, and I assume that the remainder of the epochs, the 7 epochs, will be a vested collection of points which we will be able to collect once the epochs are over. You can find these guys on Discord. Discord right now has a massive number of people. We're looking at like 434,000 members. That's huge. So with 400,000 people in a server, it's got to be a very busy server. So I'm not even going to spend a lot of time in here, but there are people here, it's being used and all that good stuff. You can also find them on Twitter, and Twitter or X has the exact same number of people, 480 or close to it, 480,000 people. So, I mean, the numbers are to change, but there's a huge number of people using it already. So the project has massive support, and it's similar to Overnode, with the exception that it's a lot better than Overnode, because Overnode all of a sudden has switched to selling Korean cosmetics, which is just a complete shame. So Grass seems to be the friendly alternative to Overnode, which provides people with the possibility of mining on your laptop, on your computer rather, on your desktop, and not just running a node for the purpose of running a node, which basically what Overnode did. There was essentially no purpose behind Overnode, or there was none that was explained by the team. While here, Grass actually has a purpose, and the purpose is to use unused bandwidth, internet bandwidth that you have running in exchange for tokens. So I understand that people will have, different views on that, on sharing your internet, and you may have reservations, and that's all fair game. So if you are not too hung up on, sharing your internet with Grass, then check out the ref link below the video, register and start earning some ref points, or rather some Grass points right away, because it's still early on. Like I said, I've been running this node for 3 days. Cranked up some numbers already, over 10,000 right now. I'm like towards the end of the first epoch, but it's still in the first epoch. So the points that I guess once this epoch finishes, we'll be moving into the second one, but the points from the first one will be collected. Contributions to the network are captured every epoch, and rewards will be distributed at the end of each stage. So I assume that at the end of each epoch, the rewards collected will be distributed to the wallets. You will need to set up a wallet, register a wallet. I think I used my Phantom wallet, so you can use Phantom or Solana or whatever other wallets. There's a bunch of different wallets that it asks you to verify, and you can connect with any other with any wallet that you choose to connect with. There are 3 different options of downloading or running the node. You can run the node, which is the Grass node, and I think that, from what I understand, it gives you a double rewards. Then you can download a Chrome extension, which gives you only 1x rewards, and then a Grass community node advanced installation. So I guess there's going to be some fiddling around, but it gives you 1.25 x. And I assume that the desktop node is the most resource consuming, although, like I said, I'm running it in the background, and it's not really eating up that much And so the desktop client kind of looks like this. It's a small little client. You can pause it here with the big button, refresh it to see your present earnings, and then copy the referral link and post it below the video. So check out the referral link, follow it, download Grass, install it, and run it, and you'll be on your way to earning rewards in this project that is still very early. We're literally in the first epoch, which means that we're still got 8 months to go of collecting rewards for this project in order to receive more airdrops for it. If this is something you'd like to do, then make sure to follow the link. Also, please remember to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel. It helps me push the content out. It lets YouTube know that this content matters, that people are watching it. And so I will really appreciate that. Also, if you are in the market for a crypto wallet, then check out the Send wallet right here. You can get yourself a $130 discount. Man, my brain is sleeping. $130 discount on the purchase of 2 of these bad boys. If you only get one, you get you can save $50 on your purchase. So check those out. This is the only biometric wallet that has a display that is very similar in look to the Tezos hard wallet. So check that out. I'm gonna close it up because I think maybe I can get a couple of hours of shut-eye before I have to get up and go to work and wake the kids up. So thank you for your time. Thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow. I have a video, a very special video. I interviewed Jordan Miller, the founder of the Satori network, and in the video tomorrow I'll be explaining what the Satori, or he will be explaining what Satori network is and what it does. It was a fabulous interview with Jordan, so come back tomorrow for that, and have a good day, good morning, good night, wherever the heck you are. Enjoy the new week. Peace.